Today I'm going to show you a brief demo that we are showcasing here at Embedded World. So basically we have our Portenta X8 combined with our Portenta Max Carrier. In this specific application we are showcasing a video streaming. So imagine that you need to build a smart kiosk or any digital signal device, then this is the perfect solution for you because it's super compact. It has a lot of ready-to-use connectors, and so you can leverage different types of connectivity options, including Ethernet, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. But other than that, we also have LoRa, Cat-M1, narrowband, and a slot for a mini PCI Express module. This means that you can even add cellular connectivity to the solution. With Foundries.io, what we provide on top of our system is a platform that will enable security on the board and enable also over-the-air updates. So imagine to have this solution installed in multiple locations at all your customer sites. Then you can control all this solution from remote. You can update the operating system from remote without any issue and be sure that you have your system always up to date. Not only on the operating system side, but also on the container side, because this platform allows you to update also container and customize container however you like, from anywhere in the world. And that's exactly the strength that stands behind, beyond the fact that you are sure that the security updates are always in place all the time. The final thing that I would like to say is that you are free to come to visit our website, both Arduino website and Foundries.io website. And there you will find tons of tutorials that will allow you to program your board exactly in this way, replicate this demo in a really simple and straightforward way, and build your next smart IoT gateway without any issue. Thanks so much.